Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best 9 Inch Nails discography is probably one of the most influential and genre-bending catalogs in industrial rock history, seamlessly blending electronic music, metal, and alternative rock to create a dark and atmospheric soundscape that explores themes of alienation, addiction, and self-destruction, making it a captivating and challenging listen for fans of experimental and emotionally resonant music. Number 5. 9 Inch Nails, Pretty Hate Machine. Get ready for a sonic assault. This album is raw, intense, and unlike anything you've ever heard before. It's a blend of industrial, metal, and alternative rock. Expect driving rhythms and haunting melodies. This is Trent Reznor at his most visceral. His songwriting is dark, poetic, and deeply personal. From the iconic "Head Like a Hole" to the brooding "Hurt," it's filled with unforgettable tracks. Each song is a journey. Pretty Hate Machine is a landmark album that redefined industrial rock. It's a must-have for any music fan. Turn it up loud and let the raw energy wash over you. This is an album that demands to be felt. What we like. It's a seminal industrial rock album, dark and influential. If you are looking for the origins of NIN's signature sound, this is the place to start. If you appreciate raw energy and groundbreaking music, this album is a must-have. What people say. The packaging. What can I say, I am a sucker for packaging. And this one is brilliant. Rob Sheridan, the art director for NIN, was given the task of updating the artwork and packaging, while still paying homage to the original design. The audio remaster. Like other reviews have said, the first thing you will notice is that the sound has been mixed louder. So now when you have your NIN catalog on random in iTunes, you won't have to keep adjusting the volume when tracks from PHM are played. Like others have said, there are sounds you will hear that you haven't heard before, but overall I think that is more subtle. Now I haven't compared the remaster to the original and really sat down to study the differences, but there is no question that it sounds better. In fact, it sounds amazing. So much is tweaked and doesn't sound dated at all. A few songs make great use of both speakers, which really comes out on headphones. The first full-length NIN album released back in 1989 is remastered and repackaged. It sounds great and the new packaging is very nice. It is simple yet beautiful like we have become accustomed to with NIN artwork. Number 4. Downward Spiral. Get ready for a thrilling descent into the unknown. This is an experience you won't soon forget. It offers a unique gameplay experience unlike anything you've played before. Prepare for a challenge that will test your skills. The visuals are stunning and will draw you into the game's world. You'll feel like you're right there in the action. It features a series of challenging puzzles that will put your mind to the test. Can you solve them all and escape? Unravel the mystery behind the downward spiral. Discover the secrets hidden within. The suspenseful soundtrack will keep you on the edge of your seat. It perfectly complements the game's atmosphere. What we like. This album is more polished than its predecessor, yet still aggressive and raw. If you like a heavier, more refined sound, this is the perfect choice. If you're a fan of 90s alternative rock, you'll love this. What people say. The definitive edition is what you should shoot for, and honestly seems what Trent and Atticus want us to experience with the album. Slight things you won't notice, reading material, and just being able to admire the lyrics and artwork. It's not the first pressing, but it's actually better sounding than the first pressing, which is incredibly difficult to find and very expensive for a used copy. The 2008 Deluxe Edition remaster includes retaken photos of the original art pieces done by Russell Mills thanks to Rob Sheridan, and a trifold digipack, and in slip-on case. All of the art for this particular album is included in this set, and includes a completely revamped and nicely done booklet full of more art and lyrics, the art being close-ups of the original art pieces. The treble and bass sounds amazing and more cleaner here, but overall, the sound remains true to the original release. Number 3. Downward Spiral. Get ready for a thrilling experience. It's a journey you won't soon forget. What mysteries await you? Prepare to be captivated by its intensity. It's a descent into the unknown, a plunge into the depths of suspense. Are you brave enough to face it? It will challenge your limits and push you to confront your deepest fears. Will you rise to the occasion? The climax is breathtaking. It's a moment of truth, a reckoning that will leave you breathless. It's a transformative experience. You'll emerge changed, forever altered by what you've encountered. What we like. This album is more polished than its predecessor, yet still aggressive and raw. If you like a heavier, more refined sound, this is the perfect choice. If you're a fan of 90s alternative rock, you'll love this. What people say. The definitive edition is what you should shoot for, and honestly seems what Trent and Atticus want us to experience with the album. Slight things you won't notice, reading material, and just being able to admire the lyrics and artwork. It's not the first pressing, but it's actually better sounding than the first pressing, which is incredibly difficult to find and very expensive for a used copy. The 2008 Deluxe Edition remaster includes retaken photos of the original art pieces done by Russell Mills thanks to Rob Sheridan, and a trifold digipack, and in slip-on case. All of the art for this particular album is included in this set, and includes a completely revamped and nicely done booklet full of more art and lyrics, the art being close-ups of the original art pieces. The treble and bass sounds amazing and more cleaner here, but overall, the sound remains true to the original release. Number 2. Broken phone repair. Don't let a broken screen ruin your day. We can fix it for you quickly and affordably. Has your phone been submerged? Bring it in, we can assess the damage and see if it's reparable. Is your battery draining too fast or not holding a charge? We offer fast and reliable battery replacements. Power button, volume buttons, or other buttons not working. We can diagnose and repair the problem. Is your phone not charging properly? We can fix your charging port issues. We handle a wide range of repairs, from speaker replacements to camera fixes. Contact us to see how we can help. What we like. It's a raw and experimental collection of songs, showcasing a more vulnerable side. If you appreciate the emotional depth and experimental nature of NIN, this is a must-have. If you are looking for something different from their other works, give this a try. What people say. This is entry-level industrial. It should be in every collection because that's where most were introduced to this genre. The most precise pressings I have ever heard. Broken is an amazing record. Energetic, brooding, and with a sound NIN does not have on any other release. Number 1. 9 Inch Nails Live Blu-ray. Experience the raw energy of 9 Inch Nails' legendary live performance. This Blu-ray captures the intensity and emotion of the show, bringing you closer to the music than ever before. Immerse yourself in the stunning high-definition video and crystal-clear audio. It's a must-have for any 9 Inch Nails fan. Relive this unforgettable concert event. It's a powerful and moving performance you won't soon forget. Own a piece of 9 Inch Nails history. This Blu-ray is the definitive live recording. Don't miss out on this incredible concert experience. Order your copy of the 9 Inch Nails Live Blu-ray now. This Blu-ray is packed with bonus features, including behind-the-scenes footage and interviews. It's a complete package for fans. What we like. Experience the raw energy of a 9 Inch Nails live show from the comfort of your home. If you want to relive a legendary concert or experience NIN's intensity live, this Blu-ray is perfect. If you're a fan of high-quality concert recordings, this is a must-have. What people say. Even if you do not typically enjoy NIN, there is no better way to test or enjoy a good surround setup. There is a great optimization test feature on the disc that allows you to ensure every channel is operating properly. Once configured, the concert pushes your system to the limit. The audio is perfectly mixed and the video is crystal clear. If you love NIN, buy it for the surround sound mix alone. All of his records should be mixed in this format and this gives you that. The Blu-ray format really brings out high def to your TV screen. The visual aspect of this show is amazing. The lights and the stage show is phenomenal and it looks like you can reach out and touch Trent. The song setlist is amazing and the overall show is so full of energy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.